Hey guys, in this video I'll show you the completely legal way to install Microsoft Office in Ubuntu 22.04 version. So I will request you please don't use any crack version or any crack serial number. So let's start. First of all, right click on the desktop and then click on open in terminal. It will open the terminal app. Now here type sudo space apt-get space update and hit enter. Now you have to enter the password for your system. I think this is not showing on the screen, but once you enter the password and hit enter, some processes will run. Now here you need to type sudo space apt-get space install space play on Linux. Now it will install the play on Linux where we actually going to install the Microsoft Office files. So now it says, do you want to continue? Type Y for yes and hit enter. Now some processes will run. It may take few minutes, so please wait patiently. Once the processes are done, type sudo space apt-get space install space winbind. This will now install the winbind. Type Y for yes and hit enter. Please wait again. Once these two things are downloaded, now you can minimize or close the terminal app. Now before you proceed, please make sure that you have copied the Office folder for installation from the download section to the desktop, as you can see here. So now click on this show application button, go to the search bar and type play on Linux that we have just downloaded. You can see, just double click on this app. It will open this wizard. Click on install, and now it may take some time. Please wait. Now please make sure you have unchecked this testing, and now in the search bar type Microsoft Office and select your preferred version from here. I will select 2007 over here, and once you select, now please click on install. Now you have to just click on next again. Now you need to do the same thing, click on next, and now you can see the virtual drive is being created, so please wait. Now everything will be automatically proceeded, so please wait patiently. In the Wine Mono installer dialog box, click on install. It will install the Wine Mono installer. Now this is the wizard for showing Wine Gecko installer, so click on install again. It will install the Wine Gecko installer. Once these two things are done, now you're ready. This is the installation method, so select use a setup file in my computer and then click on next. Now you have to select the setup file. For that, click on browse, go to home. Now double click on desktop and now click open the folder Office 2007. Now from here select the setup.exe file and click on open, and now click on next. Now you need to enter the product key. I would request you, please use your own product key. Don't use any illegal method or any crack application. So product key, then click on continue. Now tick the checkbox and click on continue. Click on install now, and now your job is done. It will now get installed. Close it. Now please wait patiently. It may take up to 10 to 15 minutes, so please wait. Now you can see the play on Linux wizard showing all these three Microsoft application. Now if you go to the application wizard and type in the search bar Microsoft, you can see Microsoft PowerPoint, Office and Word. These three things are downloaded, and just double click on it and click on OK. Now you can see the interface. Click on next, and I don't want any update. Check it and click on finish. Now you can do your job here. So now go to show application, and in the type search bar type the name of the application you want to create a shortcut. Just right click on Microsoft Word, add to favorites, and you can see now you can access the Microsoft Word from the taskbar. So this was the complete video. Please let me know if there is any issue in the installation process or not, and thank you for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.